Uncle Mark, welcome back to the channel. Sorry I'm a little rushed with this video. Customer's here to take the truck. And I said, well, just one more thing I need to do to it. Just how to set your clock if you have this Dodge radio or Ram radio. It's out of a Ram 1500. This is a 2015 model, but I think this radio is in a few different trucks, older and newer, and possibly in some other vehicles too. Just showing you how to set the clock. Again, I apologize, it's a little quick. Take a look. So I'll show you how to set the clock. It's pretty easy. This has a touch screen. You may have already realized if you played around with your radio a little bit. So first thing we need to do is, if the radio's on, hit settings. Oh, key's not on. Turn your key on. Doesn't have to run. Settings. And then see here it says clock. Press that right on the screen. There you go. Then set. See the top, set time and format. Ooh, bing. Then just pick whichever one you want to go up and down on. We'll do the 7, 8, 9. You can do that for the 5. You can do that for the hour also. Then set AM or PM. We're in the PM right now, so I'm going to press PM. Blip. And then to get out, done on the very left on the touch screen, right there. Then the arrow, go back. I'll try X. There you go. And there you go. That's it. It's the right time. At least it was when I did this. So hopefully it gives you an idea. Once you're into that menu, you can press the 12 or the 24 hour if you want. You saw how the menu works. You can just back out of it a little bit and go into the date if you want to change the date too. It's very simple. If you like the video, why not give me a thumbs up. You can subscribe in the far corner if you haven't already. I will also link up in the top corner here the Ram playlist we're starting, because I'm sure we're going to be doing lots of different things to this truck. The guy will bring them back to me, I am sure. You guys take care till next time. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Tell your friends. Bye-bye from Uncle Mark. Remember to be safe. Your safety is your responsibility and should be priority number one. Also, give me the thumbs up if you like the video. Plus, please subscribe and you'll get all the notifications. It's easy. The little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell.